Hi again, first grade. I hope you enjoyed writing your own subjects for your sentence. Today we are going to talk about predicates, the predicate of the sentence. The predicate is what someone or something did. The predicate, okay? All right, say that word with me, predicate. Predicate. So the predicate is what someone or something did. Okay, so let's look at this quick sentence. Eric runs fast. So yesterday we talked about the subject being who or what does something. So who runs fast? Eric, that's right. So he's the subject. What does Eric do? He runs fast. That is correct. Runs fast is the predicate. One way to quickly find the predicate is to find the verb. Remember, our verbs are action words. Something you can do. Okay, so what is something you can do? You can run. Who runs? Eric. Remember, Eric is our subject because that's the who. What did he do? Run fast. That's our predicate. Okay, so first of all, look for the verb. Then you can look for the subject. What did he do? That's the predicate. All right, so let's see if we can find the predicate in this sentence. The man yelled. The man yelled. Okay, so let's look for who yelled. Who yelled? The man. So we know the man is the subject. Okay, the subject is who or what did something. What did the man do? He yelled. So that is our predicate. The predicate is what they do. What they do. So the predicate is what they do. It's also the verb, the action word. Yell is a verb. Yelled, something you can do. You can yell, right? Okay, can you the man? No. So that's not an action verb. That's not the predicate. This is the subject. It tells you who. Okay, this is what they did. All right, let's try one more just to make sure you can find the predicate that easily. Y'all are really good predicate finders. Let's see about this one. See if I can trick you on this one. Okay, it says, we sang songs. So let's look for something you can do. What's something you can do in that sentence? Or something you did. It'd be past tense, right? Sang. Sang. We sang what? We sang songs. So something you can do is the verb. And then the whole telling part, what they did, is the predicate. We would be the naming part, the subject. Who sang songs? We did. So we is the subject. Predicate is what we did. We sang songs. Oh, you guys are so good at this. All right, so now we're going to draw something in our journal. That looks like, well, it's going to look like this. It's called a T-chart. Okay, that doesn't look like a T-chart yet, does it? All right, now it's called a T-chart. And in this T-chart, we are going to label this side the subject. Since we are so good at finding the subject, we're going to write them here. And then this side, I bet you can guess, the predicate. We're going to write the predicates on this side. Subject and a predicate. Naming part, telling part. Who or what? What do they do? Okay, so we are going to look at a picture from our mentor text in our HMH book called Giraffes. And we're going to look at a picture and see how many subjects and predicates we can find. You have to find at least 2 for a grade, okay, to take a picture with your iPad and then turn it into your teacher. So first let's look at this picture and see if you can find some subjects and some predicates.